Love you. Hey guys, so after I filmed this video, I was really curious to see what other videos and blog posts were saying on how to take the perfect selfie. And surprisingly, literally none of them had a lot of the stuff that I shared with you in this video. So I feel like you're really gonna learn something new today, hopefully. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you won't miss out on any of my future videos like this that I spent a lot of time on for you guys. Yeah.
Don't forget to check out my new book, which also has hundreds of more pages filled with great solutions to help you keep living the best life you've always wanted.
So yeah, I'll link my site down below for you guys, russostyles.com. Let's move on with the video.
So when you want those really clear, sharp looking pictures and need stability or just need a stand in general, a pair of sunglasses will actually do the trick for you really nicely. Set the timer up and your selfies will be clearer, funner, and better wherever you are without a tripod. Old cassette cases also work, but multifunction items are way better to be carrying around with you anyways. Selfie sticks and stands give you more play, however I personally only like to use them when no one is around or if I'm traveling. If you need it higher, use whatever is around you and you'll be so surprised with how much better your pictures will turn out. When you don't want to be waiting around for a timer to go off and like the look of your arms not showing in frame, use your headphones to take your selfies like a remote shutter. It works wonders. Group shots will be much easier and faster to take, and you'll usually just get too carried away with it because it's so much fun. Thread, shoelaces, floss, string, whatever you have around will be great to hold up wrapping paper on your wall with a thumbtack or by using the same nail that's already there. A plain or patterned background will bring the focus on you instead of what's actually cluttered behind you. Need a bigger backdrop? Use blankies and curtains. They also work wonders, but stand as close as you can to it to avoid any shadows behind you, or flash your light on your backdrop for a more brighter professional look. You can even cover your light source with some do-it-yourself colored sheets if you're feeling artsy. Get a second opinion, only if you are stuck and can't decide on which one you actually want to post. This will help a ton and also make you realize on what others like best for you too. Experiment with every single angle to find your best one. A little above your nose is usually the sweet spot for most, but I personally like taking mine from a little below mid-level since the angle doesn't enlarge my eyes or forehead further, keeping things on me looking balanced. Whatever is closest to the lens will appear bigger, and you can easily test for yourself with different angles. It's so easy to give the illusion of bigger eyes, a smaller chin, or fuller lips without Photoshop, simply by just positioning the lens closer to whatever you want bigger. For dolly, cutesy, and innocent shots, move the camera closer towards your eyes. It will give the illusion that they are bigger than they really are and will make the rest of your face and body appear smaller. This can, however, make you look alienish, so be careful not to overdo it. For sultry, sexy, and supermodel-like shots, looking down into the lens will capture a superior connection as opposed to looking up, which creates a more innocent approach. It really depends on your style and what you want to highlight most from your features. Having the camera dead centered and posing straight on will keep all your features looking the same as they do in real life. That's why they need to take your driver's license and passport photos centered, because different camera angles can really alter your features, so if you don't want that, keep it all centered. So I actually used to rely heavily on the front-facing camera lens because the convenience of knowing exactly how you look in frame is priceless to me almost, but the pixelated low-quality resolution isn't that appealing, and when you take selfies from the back lens, you aren't even sure anymore where you stand in frame. So a good trick is to position yourself in front of any mirror so you can still see what's happening on screen through the mirror, or grab anything else you can use to mirror your phone off of, and you can literally do this to any kind of camera you have. And this is honestly a really golden tip for those of you who take your own self-portraits. Practicing in the mirror for about a minute a day on your smiles and different looks will minimize the need of seeing how you look in frame all the time, or retaking photos over and over, which can get really time consuming. The best time to actually take a selfie is around 1 to 2 hours just before the sun sets. This is also referred to as the golden hour in photography. Your pictures will turn out incredible because of how soft, warm, and natural the lighting is. Window lighting is going to be your next best bet. You want to avoid any kind of harsh direct light whatsoever unless you find faces like this attractive. Having the main light source coming from right above your head will also make your eyes look extremely tired and cast unwanted shadows all over your face, which isn't appealing at all. However, a pair of sunglasses will actually get you by this kind of lighting effortlessly. Take note that your phone's battery level will dramatically decrease when the camera app is on, so I like to switch flight mode on, which stops all extra data usage from apps that's draining your battery in the background, or having your favorite portable battery pack with you is another super smart thing to always have, especially if you're always on the go and love taking pictures.
If you actually made it till the end of this video, show me by giving me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my site, russostyles.com. Yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching till the very end of my video. You are amazing, and take care because I care. You're my cute little cupcake girl, because you're so sweet, and I want to eat you. Just because you're so sweet. Just kidding, I'll never eat you, okay?